You're asking us, why haven't you moved to the new Islamic Youth Center yet? This is because it's almost empty inside. We have started with the construction, but we have difficulties in continuing. This issue doesn't just concern us, but it concerns the entire Ummah, and we believe we can overcome this together. One of our brothers or sisters may say, I want to contribute to building of the wudu area. Some may say, carpets of the madrasa are on me. And another one may say, I want to have the reward of financing the masjid area of the center. On the other hand, we still have problems in our current place. We cannot fit in the building, and we have problems in shooting our videos. If we can finish this construction, you will have a 4 times bigger studio. Imagine the goodness that can come out of this. Right now, we are producing content in Urdu, Indonesian, and Arabic languages. Our English channel has reached nearly 500,000 subscribers. Many of our brothers and sisters in Canada, England, all the way to Pakistan are writing to us saying that they have started praying 5 times and that their lives completely changed for the better. We will be a means of all these good deeds, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we have come this far in 12 years. Lots and lots of people have contributed to this cause, and Allah allowed us to achieve many beautiful things. But now this is going somewhere different. The whole world is waiting for us. Remember, whatever we give and sacrifice for the sake of Allah truly becomes ours. They become eternal, and we will get them back in the hereafter. But the things we don't sacrifice for Allah will stay in this world. Inshallah, with your help, this construction finishes in 60 days, and then with our brothers, we lay our prayer mats in the garden, make salah, and pray to Allah by saying, Ya Rab, Alhamdulillah, our construction is finished. Forever be pleased with the brothers and sisters who have been a means of this.